Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a U-part wig, as you can already tell from the topic, and the wig is from Unice. I lost the video clip of what was in the box, so here we go. I'm recording it with my phone. They sent me this elastic band, which I use most time in my videos to tie my edges down while they dry. They also sent me this mesh bag with a few things in there that I could use when I'm installing my wig, and I also have a pair of eyelashes in there and a few more things. Also, this is a silk bag that came with the wig that I could use to store my wig in if I don't want to keep it in the box, or I could put the wig in there and then put it in the box. This is the wig. It's definitely stretchy. As you can see on the inside, it has this gather in there, and that's me tugging on it, just to show you guys how it stretch a little bit. It also has these little elastic in the top that holds it together, which I'm gonna cut off later on, of course. And it's a straight wig. I believe it's 24 inches. I'm not sure, but I'll put that in the description box. Has two clips in the side. It has two in the top of it. One in the top of it and then one in the back. It also has this piece of lace that I'm gonna be cutting off soon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair to put my wig on, and by prep I mean I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out. The next thing I'm gonna do is part out my leave out, because I'm gonna need that for this wig. Now I'm gonna go ahead and divide the back into two sections, because I want to braid them down so they will be laying flat under the wig. And I'm gonna do something like two French braid. I'm gonna make it easy because we're not trying to do anything hard. It's a U-part wig. We want to do something that's gonna go on quick and come off quick. Something easy. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and braid the other side. Now it's time to do my edges, and to do that I'm gonna be using my edge control from Edge Effect. For the edges, guys, this is totally optional, but you know that already. Not everybody likes the little baby here, so you could definitely skip this part if you're doing this style. And now I'm gonna do the other side off camera. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my leave out, and this is my least favorite part of doing this style. As a matter of fact, my hair is damaged from all the heat that I've been putting in there, and I'm thinking about cutting it down. You guys let me know in the comment box if you want me to do it on camera, post it on YouTube, or if you want to see, just let me know. Yeah, I was absolutely scared about, for ironing the front part right there next to my forehead. As you can tell, I was a little bit scared, but I got through it. Now that that's done, I'm gonna twist this part away since I already flat ironed it to put the wig on. But before I put on my wig, I have to cut these two little strings that attach the U parting of it.
Girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some curls in my hair. I know it is a straight wig and it would be nice to wear it straight, but because of my head being so small and the wig is a little bit bigger than my size, it's a little bit bulky, so it's not gonna look good if I wear it straight. So I feel like giving it some curls, giving it some body would make it look so much better. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl the first two on the left side and show you guys how I curl it, because I feel like I do a better job curling my hair with a flat iron than if I was to curl it with a curling iron. After I curl it, I hold it in place for about 10 seconds to let it cool off, and that helps to, keep the curl in.
So much unspoken. Sometimes we're not happy, but we never are broken, are we? Even on an island by ourselves. Girl, you make me happy, can't you tell?
I'm gonna go ahead and do another one for you guys. I feel like, curling my hair like this with a flat iron should be in a whole nother video by itself, because, the way I'm curling it, it's kind of different from how you would normally curl your hair with a flat iron. Now that I'm all done curling the left side, look at how beautiful that looks compared to the side that's not yet curled. I absolutely love it already. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl the other side. Here we go with one final look at how I curl this baby. And here we are all done, but look at me, I need an outfit and some makeup to go with this hair, so let me go do that and I'll be right back. Here we are guys with the whole entire look. I did my makeup, I added some earrings, and I changed my outfit, and bam. The hair is gorgeous. It's very full, which I really love about it, and it's also something that could save me on a really bad hair day. Let me turn around so you guys could see the back. I did experience some shredding with it, to be honest. Also, I didn't like the fact that it was a little bit too big for my head, but other than that, I love everything about it. Anyway guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!